Right. Okay. The magic show. I need, for this show, I need a coin. Does anyone have a coin?
How big?
This is fine. This is fine. You don't have any kind of sentimental value attached?
No.
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 Are you sure?
Yeah, just a 1 rupee value.
Because I'm going to make this disappear.
No problem.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Good. What I think you haven't been told about me, there's something I have actually hidden about me from you. And that is that I am a magician. Surprised? Yeah? So how many of you actually think that I could be a magician? Thumbs up if you actually think, if you believe that I could also be a magician. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, okay, most of you. Normally when I ask that question, hardly anyone believes me. I'm actually touched that you all think and believe that I could be a magician. That you actually trust that I could perform some magic trick. And that's actually what I'm going to do, perform a magic trick. I am going to make this coin disappear and hope that he doesn't cry. Right? So you still think that I'd be able to do that? All of you, most of you, still believe that I'll be able to make this coin disappear? Yeah? Yeah? Then why do it then? Why do it? I mean, if you believe that I can do it, should I go ahead and do it? Should I? Do I need to prove to you? Really? I have to. Oh, so you want me to actually prove to you that I am indeed a scientist? What's the point? I mean, you believe anyway. Why would I need to prove myself? I mean, if you believe in a politician as being honest, why would a politician need to prove that he's honest? Right? Or is that not really right? As scientists, what do you expect? And proof for anything that you contend, right? All right, so I guess I do need to prove to you that I can indeed make this coin disappear. Watch carefully. Nothing here, okay? Here it is. Ah! Why are you laughing? Where's the coin? What? Where? Which pocket? Oh, right, it is here. I think I need to practice that trick. I guess it's too early to perform that trick. I think that's the lesson I've learned. I need to do it. I need to practice, get better at it, and then only maybe perform. That's the lesson that I'm going to take from here. But you know, there is another way that I can make this disappear. I do have something else up my sleeve, as it were. Up my sleeves. You know that when they say that, right? Magicians have things up their sleeves. I do have a second trick. But for that, I need you to close your eyes. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? I just want you to close your eyes and I will make this coin disappear. Right. Can you all close your eyes, please? Close your eyes, everyone. Close your eyes. All eyes closed, please. All eyes closed. All eyes closed, please. All right. Do you see the coin? No. See? I made it disappear. No, don't open your eyes. You can't open your eyes. Do you see it now? No. See, I made it disappear. Didn't I? Yes. So I am indeed a magician. Or did it disappear?